Let's look at importing content a section at a time. This is an empty course shell. Choose Add Existing Content. On the Import drop-down menu, choose Blackboard 6789. Click on Choose File and locate your zipped file. Open it. Click on Select Specific Content. Click on Import. Give Canvas time to process, and then click on Select Content. Here is where you can choose the specific sections to import. Click on the arrow to reveal additional content. Choose the sections you would like to import and then click on Select Content. You can check and resolve any issues one at a time. Then access the modules to check and organize the content. The process to add another section is the same.